Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a little bit of a haul and PR video. I have got some fun goodies here. A few of my last minute Nordstrom items showed up. I can't wait to show you those last minute purchases. I also have some beauty products, some jewelry, as well as a perfume that I was on the hunt for while I was in Europe and it was sold out everywhere. I come back to the States and it is here readily. So I can't wait to share this fragrance with you because I completely fell in love with it and then I couldn't get it. So that made me want it even more. So if you're interested in seeing my haul, then let's go ahead and get started. First, I've got some brand new goodies from Ana Luisa jewelry. As you know, I'm a big fan of that brand and they sent me a few new goodies that I'm excited about. The first one is this really cool necklace. If you're not familiar with Ana Luisa jewelry, this is a sustainable jewelry brand. It is also very affordable and I love the quality of their jewelry as well. And I have this new necklace that I'm just in love with. This is the Masanti necklace and I just think it's so cool. So we've got one side over here that is going to be sterling silver chain and then the other side is this beautiful pearl necklace. So I just think this is a really cool statement necklace. I love the half and half. So I just think this is a really cool statement necklace and my daughter already wants to steal this necklace because she wears mostly silver jewelry. She loves pearls as well. So we'll see if I'm going to be nice and send this off with her because every time I've worn this I've gotten a compliment on this necklace, so I'm not quite sure I'm ready to give it up. I can always pick one up for her. And I do have a code with Ana Luisa. It is Abby10, so you can get 10% off your purchase. And then a few other items that I absolutely love. This is the ROWENA bracelet here, and I like to stack my favorite bracelets from Ana Luisa, and this is what the ROWENA looks like on my wrist here. It is so pretty and delicate and I just love this one. I also love the little travel cases that the Ana Luisa jewelry comes in. They are magnetic. You can stick your jewelry in there. It's great to travel with. Easy, safe. And one of the other bracelets that I highly recommend, you guys ask me all the time, where did I get this bracelet? And this is the Aura. And you guys, this has to be one of my favorite statement bracelets from Ana Luisa. This is something that I often get asked about where I pick this up. It is like a wrist watch band without the watch. It is such nice quality, guys. It's got a little bit of weight to it. And one of the things that I love about the Aura bracelet is that it comes along with a few extra links. So you can adjust the size of this bracelet. It is my ultimate favorite bracelet from Ana Luisa and I have a lot of their bracelets. I love the delicate ones to stack on one side. And then I've been keeping this side of my wrist just sort of clean and simple with the statement Aura bracelet from Ana Luisa. So highly recommend that bracelet and you really can't go wrong with any of their jewelry, you guys. Everything that I've received I've loved. And again, this is a sustainable, affordable jewelry line that you can just enjoy their products, feel good about buying them. And again, they come quite well packaged. They make great gifts as well. So thank you, Ana Luisa, for those new goodies. Love, love, love them. And I will leave my code and all the information down in the description box as well. Okay, then I've got a few updates from my Nordstrom sale purchases. And I mentioned the other day that when I had ordered the PAIGE. This is the FARRAH square bootie here, which I just love. This is in the color Cognac. That I had initially ordered a 7.5 and they were a little bit big for me, so I went ahead and ordered the 7, and I am going to be keeping the 7. These truly fit true to size. I generally wear a 7 or a 7.5, and I have to say these boots just fit a little bit better in the size 7 for me. I thought maybe with thicker socks and such I would need the 7.5, but I just felt like these fit a bit better in the true size of a 7. And you guys, these are just so chic. I absolutely love the color. I think they're gonna look so beautiful for fall. And as I mentioned, they are so comfortable. They have a bit of a cushy insole in here, and so that was the other selling point of these boots, is that they're actually comfortable, and I can see myself wearing these clearly with jeans and such, but I also could see these looking really cute with dresses and of course slacks. So I just wanted to follow up and let you know that yes, I did exchange them for the size 7. And then while exchanging the boots, I got sucked in to wanting to purchase the classic All Saints. This is the BALFERN biker jacket. And I have to admit, I have almost bought this a few different times at the Nordstrom sale. But when I was at the store, they had it in this beautiful wine colored leather. And I just thought it was stunning. So I tried it on and I sort of fell in love with this color and the jacket. So I've known that these are very high quality moto jackets, but I think the color in deep berry is just stunning, and I felt like for sure I would wear this one. So this is what this jacket looks like. It is so stunning. It is very supple and soft. Again, the color just got me. And despite it being 90 plus degrees out here today, I am so excited to wear this as the weather cools down. This is definitely something that I will be wearing a lot of in Portland, Oregon. And I ended up trying on several different sizes in this jacket. And I was going back and forth between getting a size 4 and a size 6. And I ended up going with the size 6 because it fit better through my shoulders. I'm a little bit broader through the shoulders. Plus, if I'm going to be wearing a sweater underneath, I wanted a little bit of room. So they do tell you when you're purchasing these leather jackets that they are going to give a little bit, and I have found that with other leather jackets. So sometimes they will tell you to go with the tighter size because it will give a little bit, but for myself, I really felt like it felt better in my shoulders. I also liked the way it laid a little bit better in the size 6. So in jackets in general, I would say most likely I wear a size 2 if that helps you for comparison. I can do a 0 depending on the jacket, but I do have a little bit wider shoulders, and I felt like the 4 fit and I knew that it would give, but again, I don't think I could wear something a little bit bulkier, and I feel like the 6 was the perfect fit through the shoulders, and I liked having a little bit of give in the body as well. So I'm actually so thrilled I pulled the trigger on this one. I truly think it was because of the deep berry color. I do love this in black. I think that is classic. This just seems to be a bit softer, and I felt like I would get more wear out of it with my repertoire of clothing. So if you're still shopping at the Nordstrom sale, it is going on through the end of the month, and you can go and try this beautiful jacket on. I feel like this is a classic, like a lifer kind of jacket that is only going to get better with time. I would definitely go try this on. Again, it comes in the colors black, this deep berry shade, and then there's this really pretty gray tone as well. They didn't have that at my store, but that one looks pretty too. So classic All Saints leather jacket, great quality, great price, and I'm kind of in love. Then I have been on the hunt for the perfect black chic glasses, and I had tried on those Prada glasses from the anniversary sale, but I felt like they were just a little too big for my face. Many of you were so sweet helping me out trying to decide if they were too big or if I should keep them. So I ended up going back to the sunglass area, and of course I found some that were not on sale, but it was just my birthday and I had a rather nice gift card to Nordstrom, and I ended up purchasing this pair of Celine glasses. Now usually Celine glasses are just way too big for my face, but the woman said, hold up, I've got a special pair. She had to pull it out. It wasn't in the display case. And these are the Mineral 48 millimeter cat eye sunglasses. And I may have found the perfect black Celine sized glasses, and these are the 48 millimeter mineral cat eye Celine glasses, and she was like, try these ones on. They are basically for more petite faces, she said. And I've been wanting this classic style for so long, but the original ones are just, they kind of dwarf my face. They're just huge. So these are what I picked up so far. And what I will tell you is they fit very nicely. Like they feel very fitted on the face. Whereas the Prada ones that I was on the fence about felt just a little bit loose. They had a thicker side band, but they were just a little bit wider than my face. So they sort of felt like when I bent over that they could kind of slide off my face, whereas these feel very fitted, very comfortable, and these are just these classic Celine black glasses. I find them to be very chic, very comfortable, and I wanted something a bit oversized but not like too big. So I wanted to share these glasses that I picked up, and it comes along with your beautiful little Celine glass case as well as your little sunglass cleaner here. So although these glasses were not on sale, I was able to apply my gift card to them, so it sort of felt like they were on sale, and I think I'm kind of in love with these Celine sunglasses. Then the next product I picked up, this is the VISEART, and this is the neutral matte palette. So this is one of these, like Demi Rawling made me buy it. Usually she makes me buy perfume, but I had watched her vlog where she was getting ready, and you could tell that this was a well-loved palette that she just used all the time, and she used this. And then I was talking to Mandy Davis about this palette, and she was like, yes, you absolutely have to pick that up. Like, you will not need any other matte shades if you pick this palette up. So as many of you know, I'm not great at using palettes. I get a little bit overwhelmed with what shades to use. So I asked Mandy to do a live video with me. We're going to do a full face of makeup get ready together, and then she's going to show me an eye look to use with this eye palette. So I'm so excited because we get to learn from the expert. Mandy is a professional makeup artist, and she's a good friend of mine here on YouTube. Just adore her. And she said she'll teach me how to use this, how not to be afraid of it. And so I'm so excited, and that is coming up on August 1st. We are so excited. We haven't done a live in a while. We do tend to get a little laughy. She has a great sense of humor, and we are also going to end with a perfume of the day, kind of pick each other's perfumes out. So put that on your calendar. We're so excited for that event, and that will be happening on August 1st. And speaking of perfume, I have been very into feminine floral fragrances. And when I was in Paris, I had a little bit of fun at the Maison Francis Kurkdjian standalone store, and I fell in love with one of their perfumes, but it was literally sold out across the board in Europe. So then of course that made me want it even more. And so I was so happy to come home to the States and find that it was actually available at Twisted Lily. And this is Maison Francis Kurkdjian Feminin Pluriel. And this is the most gorgeous, soft, feminine, pretty, I would almost say clean floral fragrance. I just love everything about this, from like the rose gold pink packaging. It just screams femininity to me, and I've been really into those fragrances lately that are going to make you feel very pretty. I also can't believe how much I am into florals right now. I always tended to lean towards more gourmand fragrances. Of course, there's florals in those as well, but think about those warmer vanilla, kind of rich, opulent scents. And I've had a huge shift into pretty feminine florals this summer, and honestly I think this might be one of the best. This had been recommended to me a few years back when I was at Saks and I was picking up Baccarat Rouge, the extrait version, and the woman at the counter had told me that she thought this would be my perfect signature scent, and at the time I thought, I'm not so sure. This one felt almost a little bit too delicate and dainty compared to the Baccarat 540, and now I think she is spot on, because this is one of these fragrances that I could wear day in and day out. I'm not going to get sick of it. I feel like I can wear this casually. I feel like this dresses up super well too, and it just screams femininity to me. This also smells very luxurious to me. It has a slight clean note to it, so I would say it smells like an expensive bouquet of florals, but it is not indolic. It is very fresh feeling. It has a slight powdery dry down. It is not a choky powdery whatsoever. This does have the notes of violet, iris, rose, lily of the valley. This has beautiful jasmine in it as well. I definitely smelled that note. It has Indonesian patchouli, and as I've said, patchouli can be sort of like clean patchouli. Sometimes it's a little bit more earthy. In here, I think that's where I'm getting that clean note from. I feel like this one is perfectly balanced with those florals, so it grounds it just a bit. I feel like it gives it a little bit of that clean note that I'm talking about. I find that this is very elegant, again, very feminine. I feel very pretty in this fragrance, and it's got a touch of orange blossom as well. So to me, this dries down as a very pretty, feminine, slightly powdery, slightly musky, floral fragrance, and it just makes me feel very elegant, very feminine, very pretty. I think what I like about this one is that this fragrance feels very me versus having a fragrance where it's kind of wearing you, if that makes sense. There's certain fragrances that I like that there are certain fragrances that I love like that. For instance, the Baccarat Rouge 540, that one's going to have a bubble where people are going to notice you. They are going to ask you what you are wearing because it is sort of a more bold fragrance. Whereas this one is going to be a fragrance I feel like that is going to make you feel like $1,000,000. You definitely can get compliments with this fragrance as well, but I feel like it is one of those that you're going to wear for yourself. This one feels a little bit more elegant and refined, and I'm just in love with it. So if you are looking for a very fresh, clean, feminine floral fragrance, you can pick this up At Twisted Lily, I do have my code Abby10. I was just so excited to find it there. Immediately purchased it. So we will be including this in a Fragrance Friday because I was asked if I would share some of my other favorite Maison Francis Kurkdjian fragrances, and I do love this line, have liked them for many years, and I'm so glad I have this in my collection now. Okay guys, those are my goodies that I wanted to share with you. I have a few other fun things coming in the door, so we will have another haul coming up. I'll give you a little heads up. I have been very into lip gloss lately. So I've got a bit of a lip gloss roundup coming your way. So if you're a fellow lip gloss lover, stay tuned for that. And you guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will be back with another video soon.